Okay, today is January 6th, and we are going to do a cold start today. The cold start will be on this. It has not been started for 3.5 weeks, no plug. I guess we'll see what happens. Okay, we'll get the heat up cycle on here. It is 20 degrees out, cold wind chill. And we're waiting. Okay, let's see if she starts. Okay, cold start. Right up the high idle. Now that's one cold start. Man, she's still up at high idle. Must be pretty cold. Anyways, that's my cold start video for today. Thank you for watching. Remember, comment, rate, subscribe, and